Looking for a great hosting solution? Check our website for prices. First, what you need to do is to update the server packages. You can do this by the following command. Synaptic package is available on Ubuntu-based repositories, so you can install it directly by running the following command. After the installation, you can search the system search bar by typing Synaptic or by icon. Synaptic will be launched as shown. That's it. If you have any question, please leave them in comments.